Hi guys, Nicole here at Early Childhood Parenting. Just wanted to have a quick chat to you about solids and introducing solids. There's sort of differing opinions between health professionals. Some believe that you should introduce them at 4 months, while others believe that you should wait until they're 6 months. But the general consensus is that 6 months is a great age, definitely not before 4 months. But 6 months is sort of the point where you definitely want to have it happening if you haven't already. It's really important to remember when you are introducing solids, or even when you have started to establish solids, that it is complementary to milk feeding, and it should definitely not overtake the amount of milk your little one is having. So milk is still the most important, whether that being breast milk or formula. Now, when you are starting to introduce solids, the first solid you should introduce is at lunchtime, and you would aim to be giving this one sort of at least an hour before that second nap. So that's sort of, depending on your nap structure, it's usually around 11 AM or so is a great time to offer the lunch solids. Fruit and veg are the first types of solids that you would offer, and just go slow with the different varieties, just ensuring that your little one is tolerating each different variety you're giving. And you can then sort of from about 7 months introduce some sort of protein. Going slow with protein is important to, once again, to make sure your little one is tolerating it. And so even starting with like a Greek yogurt is really good protein enriched food. So starting with that and then slowly building up the types of protein you're offering. Dinner should be introduced by about 7 months of age. And you would sort of just give similar to what you're giving at lunchtime. However, no protein at dinner until your little one is at least 10 months of age. And some babies can't tolerate protein at dinner until they're about 12 months of age. So just watch for that, and you'll be able to see if your little one is having issues with it, because they'll end up with an upset tum, or you know, that you're having trouble with them settling in the early parts of the night while the digestion's taking place. Once again, dinner should definitely be served at least an hour before bedtime, so the digestion can start taking place before they're going to bed. So usually around 5 PM is a great time for dinner, but whatever works in with your schedule, just try and make it at least an hour before. Breakfast should be introduced by around about 8 months. So breakfast is the third meal that you introduce, and that's at around 8 months of age. You should definitely, when it comes to introducing solids, allow your little one to decide how much they're wanting and when they are kind of wanting to eat, and don't be really sort of quite forceful with it. We want to make this a fun experience, and there will definitely be tastes that they might not like, but sort of you need to repeat different flavours before they can really get a good taste to see if it is something they do or don't like. The best way when you are starting to introduce solids is to just start with half a teaspoon. So this would be at lunchtime. You just start with half a teaspoon, and you're gradually building that up over the period of about 2 months till you're at the point where you're sort of giving them 2 tablespoons 3 times a day. And then by 9 months of age, your little one should be on sort of 3 to 4 meals a day. So if you have any questions regarding solids, definitely just let us know. We do include information regarding food in all of our sleep plans, because it can be a big element to the way your little one sleeps or doesn't sleep. So that's really important to know. It's a part of our holistic view that we do when it comes to assessing your little one's sleeping issues. So until next time, I'll speak to you guys later. Bye.